Good morning, class 9. Today is day 1, lesson 1, and the very first grammar topic for your 9th class is futur proche. Now, what is futur proche? Its definition says it is a near future, that is, something that is going to happen in immediate future, or else we can say that the events which are going to happen in our lives for real. Now this tense is a time bound, that is time signature like within 5 minutes, next half an hour, tomorrow, at night, etc. are used as an indication for futur proche. Here are some examples. We are going to visit mall today. I am going to study tonight. And he is going to come to my house tomorrow. Now look at these sentences and tell me what are the things common in these sentences. We are going to visit mall today. I am going to study tonight. And he is going to come to my house tomorrow. Okay, yes, that's right. The verb going is used in each sentence. But there is also one more thing common in these sentences, and that is using of the second verb like to visit, to study, to come. Let's go back and see. We are going to visit mall today. I am going to study tonight. He is going to come to my house tomorrow. So to study, to visit, and to come. Now dear students, before the formation I want to tell you that we use two verbs in futur proche. Yes, two verbs. Now let me help you. The first common verb is going. Can you all tell me what's going in French? That's right. Going is known as aller. So we can see again the example. We are going to visit mall today. I am going to study tonight. He is going to come to my home tomorrow. So going verb is aller. So we will be conjugating aller in these sentences. In what tense? Let us see. So the first verb of the formation of futur proche is aller, which will be conjugated in present tense. Why present tense? Because the sentence, it is being conjugated like that. Let's look. We are going, I am going, and he is going. So is, am, are going. It's been conjugated in. So now what about the second common thing in the sentence? To visit, to study, to come. Now I've also converted it into French like visiter, étudier, and venir. So now let us understand the formation carefully. Futur proche is formed with two verbs in a sentence, the helping verb and the main verb, just like passé composé. So in passé composé, the helping verb were être and avoir, that's right. So in this, the helping verb is aller. And the main verbs, which are to visit, to study, to come, visiter, étudier, venir, will be conjugated in what tense? Let us see. So aller being a helping verb will be conjugated in present tense, and the main verb will be in infinitive form, that is non-conjugated form. So why it is in non-conjugated form? Because to visit, here also it is written to visit. So to visit is visiter. To study is étudier. And to come is venir. So now we have the formation of the futur proche subject plus aller conjugated in present tense. I have already conjugated it in present tense. Aller being conjugated in present tense according to the verb subjects plus the main verb in infinitive form. Why infinitive form? Because in the sentence it was written to visit, to study, to come is equal to futur proche. So now we translate it into French. We are going to visit mall today. Nous allons visiter au centre commercial aujourd'hui. So, allons, going, conjugated in present tense. To visit, as it is, as a infinitive form or non-conjugated form. Second one, I am going to study tonight. Je vais étudier ce soir. So, je vais, conjugated in present tense according to the subject. We will conjugate aller in present tense and main verb will remain same, will remain untouched. And the last one is, he is going to my home tomorrow. Il va venir à ma maison demain. So I hope you all have understood the formation of futur proche. What is futur proche? Futur proche is a near future where we have a time signature, is a time bound signature verb which tells us that the events in our life will be happening for real. So that's why we use we are going to study futur proche. I am going to teach you futur proche, and we will be going to see the assignments. Yes, we have 10 sentences. Now you will be doing it in your notebooks. If you don't have a notebook, do it in your rough notebook, and once you get your new notebooks, please do these sentences over there. So the verbs are partir, écrire, arriver, finir, prendre, coucher, étudier, gagner, apprendre, compléter. These are the main verbs which will be remaining same, which will be coming as it is, whereas nous, je, il, tu, vous, le soleil is il singular, Marc, elle, and je. According to these subjects, the aller will be conjugated. So again, let me tell you, the formation is subject plus aller conjugated in present tense plus the main infinitive form as it is. I hope you have all understood the futur proche, the near future, and I hope that you will be learning it better. You can always pause the video to note down this. You can always go back to see what all you haven't understood. Okay. Have a blessed day, my dear students. A bientôt.